In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to arrange boards in Notion. Boards prove to be advantageous when it comes to displaying items within a database as they progress through various stages of a process or when they are grouped based on specific properties. They are particularly useful for project management purposes and provide a visual representation of your data. However, boards may not always appear in the desired order, which is why it's important to have the ability to rearrange them according to your preferences. And that's easily doable in Notion. Here, I have 4 boards. First board shows the items that are in review. Second board shows those that haven't been started yet. Third board shows those that are in progress. And fourth board shows the completed items. This is not how I want it to look like, but I also can't simply drag and drop to reorder the boards. So, click the 3 dots on the top right of the board, click Layout, then Group By, click Sort, and change the setting to Manual. Under Visible Groups, drag and drop the 6 dots located beside each status to reorder them. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.